What's up, guys? James R. Davis, Senior Top Diamond Leader, six-figure ring owner here with Skinny Body Care. I wanted to show you, come to you live today about the Matrix. It just went live. We just received the emails from the company that the Matrix is live. I'm gonna jump right into it, folks. All right, so I've been with this company now going on 7 years, and I can tell you this: that when I started, one of the key elements of why I joined this company, this was the reason why I joined this company. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't join because of the product. I joined because of this way right here, the Matrix, and the Matrix matching bonuses. That's why I joined. Okay. And so, folks, listen, now we're back to the Matrix. You can earn up to $9,840 a month in the Matrix. You can match 100%. All you got to simply do is enroll one person per month. You're going to match 100% of that person's Matrix. Two people a month. You're going to match 100% of your personals, 40% of their personals. Enroll 3 new people a month. Guys, listen, you literally open up 7 levels of matching bonuses. Okay. And this is that everyone in your enroller tree organization earns each month. You're going to earn a match down 7 levels. Okay. So let's get into this real quickly here. This just went live. You know, if you just click on the genealogy now, it doesn't take you to the genealogy page. It takes you straight to the Matrix page. And it shows you that congratulations, you have X amount of people in your organization. I have 4,584 people in my Matrix. And folks, I'm going to tell you something. A lot of these people aren't active, but a lot of them are active. Okay, and the thing is, if you receive this email, you're not locked in, you're gonna miss out on something major. Okay, something major. You know, right now is the first payout of this matrix, and this thing follows the enroller. And so this simply means that every single body, let me show you this, every single body that has ever joined Skinny Body Care. Like, look, everybody that's joined Skinny Body Care, they've been given a position to take a chance to lock in so they can capture all of the active people that are gonna be locking into this matrix. And today is the 25th of the month, so this is the end of the pay. This is the end of the month. They start billing around the 25th of the month to the end of the month, and so you know the end of the month ends on the 31st. So literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 7 days, right about six days. Yeah, 7 days, 6 days to actually lock in and start getting paid in this matrix. And so as I scroll down this list, this is 6 levels. Let me go to 8 real quick. And I'm going to scroll down a little fast, but you know, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be watching this video. I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel, so a lot of people are going to go back and watch the recording over these next few days. And so if you see your name here, then you may want to position yourself and lock in, folks. All right. So this is everybody. Okay, everybody that has been given an opportunity to go ahead and lock in their spots in this matrix. And I'm gonna tell you something, folks. Once they lock in, we're gonna build this thing out all year. Okay, because there are a lot of loyal, committed people here with Skinny Body Care. They're committed. They're just flat out committed. The products work. They're not going anywhere. Like myself, I'd rather take these products versus some drugs for my high blood pressure issue that I had. And so now it's only 1 bottle requirement in the matrix. 1 bottle. We've done away with the legacy matrix, so we brought the original matrix back. And as you can see here, folks, this thing is nuts. It's nuts. Okay. So all of you guys, every last one of you guys have the ability to lock in your spot and earn in this matrix. Every last one of you. Okay? Every last one of you. All right? So I'm just scrolling down here, letting you guys see this. This is insane. Okay? So again, a lot of these people are already active. They've already placed their orders for the month. And a lot of these people have not. So Think about this. I joined this company July 4th, 2011. Okay, that was the first year in Skinny Body Care. I followed my enroller. Well, my enroller quit, and their enroller is another person, and then that person's enroller is right up there with Tim Miller. So we're literally at the top of this company-wide matrix following our enrollers. So there are going to be a lot of people that's going to be spilling over into this matrix the first of the month. I mean, when we get our first commissions, which is next week, and then month after month after month after month after that. And this thing is going to be locked in solid. A bunch of crusaders that are serious about Skinny Body Care, serious about these products. I mean, as I look at this list, I'm like, wow, it's amazing. All of you guys have the ability to cash in on this. I'm looking at somebody who I started with way back in 2011. Wow, it's crazy, man. So, folks, don't play with this. Don't play with this. Lock in your spot. Lock in your spot, man. Because especially if you're on my team, man, some of you guys got some great positions that just joined not recently. Looking at Desiree Conley right here. A couple of you guys that are still here crushing it. Brunel Branch. Let's see here, man. This is nuts. All right, but anyway, folks, just wanted to record this, let you guys know, man, that this is probably the biggest announcement that Skinny Body Care has made for everybody. I mean, we've made a lot of great announcements, but this is going to be huge. Okay, we have 7 products now. The compensation plan is second to none. I know I announced a retirement earlier this year, but this is going to make me come back out of retirement because I want to help so many. Listen, guys, helping people is in my blood, and that's never going to change. And this is going to give the ability for more people to flat out win here in Skinny Body Care because guess what? Not only are distributors going to be in this matrix over the next few months, guess who else is going to be in the matrix? Customers. Okay? So, yeah, these matrices are going to fill up pretty fast. I can tell you this, folks. 4,000 people in my matrix. Let's see how many total. You're talking about 9,840 people. We're going to fill this thing up. All right, we're going to definitely fill this thing up. We're halfway there now, and out of all those people, we're going to see how many of those people actually place an order. And so it's gonna decrease down to maybe about, I don't know, who knows, right? Who knows? This may turn into 300, it may turn into 500, it may turn into 1,000, after the first of the month. But I'll tell you this, it's going to be a huge number because there are a lot of committed people in this company, and a lot of them are definitely taking advantage of this matrix. So look forward to working with you guys soon. Take care, take charge. God bless. Peace out.